We'll take it back to Skull Island or View. Location played The Afterlife. It was a very unique show called The Good Place, starring Ted Danson and Kristen Bell. You'll see more colorful nowadays. So I mentioned this show, The Good Place. If you haven't heard of it, this is a little taste of the show itself. Up here for sure. You know, all that cool stuff right here in Hollywood. Awesome. So we just got clearance to bring it back to Amity Island. Yes, the Amity Island. You know, the small New England town once terrorized by that great white man-eating shark. Jaws. Okay, folks, no need to panic, no need to worry. We caught the shark giving us troubles. Earlier this morning, we had a police officer diver, George, doing one final sweep. Yeah. So we should be officially reopening this body of water very soon, just before summer hits. Uh-oh. Hang on, what's that change of music? Oh, no. Are you guys seeing this? This cannot be good.
Uh-oh.
Did not play this during training. Oh gosh. Is it George? That can't be George, is it? Okay. Just in case, you know what, kids, children, look away, kids, nothing to worry about out there. George, yeah, he is highly qualified, and some say the best that we... Oh, gross. Oh, that's a lot of red. Oh, gosh. Okay, folks are late seated. Let's get out of here. This is a bad idea. Yes, we're going to clear the area. Oh, my gosh, George. Oh, folks. Let's get out of here. Oh, gosh. Uh-oh. Folks, the tram is stalling out. Oh, my gosh. Hang on. Oh my goodness. No, that barrel of beta water is moved, folks. We are not alone. Ooh. Just got fired. We're gonna get him in the trail. Done, done, done. Watch out.
Look, water comes.
Done, done, done. Watch out. Done, done, done. 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 Done, done, experience for us. Utilized Old Mexico and Little Europe for a couple of locations in that movie. But now, we bring it into our oldest area, some of the oldest movie sets on our studio lot still being used till this very day. Welcome to 6 Points. Keep your main focus.
Building a physical shark that would come out of the water and terrify tourists as they were sitting in the tram. And the most amazing thing about the Jaws ride is it is exactly as it was from the time it was.
So the great outdoors cabin on your right-hand side, kind of tucked away in our wilderness area, has been moved here and there throughout the time. But yes, folks, all around us, this was once a real aircraft purchased from a real aircraft graveyard. Just like any other vehicle, unsafe to fly after so many miles. So this was purchased from an airplane graveyard, broken apart into several big pieces. Shipped here slowly on flatbed trucks to stage all of this. Only seen for about 4 minutes or less in the entire movie, War of the Worlds. Tom Cruise and Dakota Fanning filmed right here where we're driving through. They actually added this road for the tram after the filming of the movie.
The airplane crash site set is a perfect example of a set that is all designed around a vision that Stephen had.
Again, to sit down to talk about War of the Worlds. That's on Wilson, 747.
These houses are replicas of the real houses they filmed here on the East Coast. Not going to destroy the real thing for a 4-minute scene in the entire movie. But yes, War of the Worlds. They also filmed on our stages on the front lots. This movie, literally a great example of filming a movie coast to coast. War of the Worlds. Like I mentioned, this was a sight to be seen for studio tours over the years. Watch, go on YouTube, watch some old studio tours from VHS.
Listen, I want you to close your eyes, okay? Down closed.
Hollywood sign. So folks, this is the first time we've done this in like years. This is not a joke. We're going to ask you to please hop off the tram after we safely...
Just back up a little bit. I got it. It's lightweight. First of all, I don't work for you. Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. Cop, I suggest you clear out of here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety?